In a world where success often seems elusive and the path to achieving dreams is fraught with obstacles, the quest for a powerful technique that can help you achieve anything is a common pursuit. Amid the myriad of strategies and self-help advice available, one technique stands out for its simplicity and profound impact: the practice of visualization. The science behind visualization. Visualization, also known as mental imagery or mental rehearsal, is a technique where you create vivid and detailed mental images of achieving goals. This practice is grounded in neuroscience. Studies have shown that the brain does not significantly distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you visualize a successful outcome, your brain activates the same neural pathways as it would if you were actually performing the activity. This primes your brain for success and can significantly enhance your performance. Athletes have long utilized visualization to enhance their performance. For example, Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps famously used visualization to prepare for his races, mentally rehearsing every stroke and turn. This mental preparation allowed him to remain calm and focused, even under the intense pressure of competition. Similarly, business leaders, musicians, and performers across various fields have harnessed the power of visualization to excel in their endeavors. How visualization works. The process of visualization involves several key steps. Setting clear goals. Begin by defining clear, specific goals. Whether you aim to excel in your career, improve your fitness, or master a new skill, having a clear objective is crucial. Vague goals lead to vague outcomes. Creating vivid mental images. Once you have a clear goal, create a vivid mental image of achieving it. Engage all your senses in this process. Imagine how it looks, feels, sounds, and even smells. The more detailed and realistic your mental image, the more powerful the visualization. Practicing regularly. Consistency is key. Make visualization a daily practice. Set aside a few minutes each day to mentally rehearse your goals. Over time, this practice will strengthen the neural pathways associated with success. Combining with action. Visualization is not a substitute for action. It is a complementary technique that enhances your efforts. Combine your mental rehearsal with consistent, purposeful action towards your goals. Visualization prepares your mind while action propels you forward. The benefits of visualization. The benefits of visualization extend beyond merely achieving goals. It can also enhance your overall well-being and mindset. Here are some notable advantages. Increased confidence. Visualization builds confidence by familiarizing your brain with success. When you repeatedly visualize achieving your goals, you reduce fear and anxiety, replacing them with a sense of assurance and readiness. Enhanced focus. Visualization sharpens your focus by keeping your goals at the forefront of your mind. It helps you stay motivated and aligned with your objectives, even when faced with distractions or setbacks. Improved performance. By mentally rehearsing tasks, you can improve your performance in real-life situations. This is particularly beneficial for complex tasks that require precision and skill. Stress reduction. Visualization can also serve as a relaxation technique. By imagining positive outcomes and experiences, you can reduce stress and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Real-life success stories. The power of visualization is evident in numerous real-life success stories. Consider Jim Carrey, the famous actor and comedian. Early in his career, Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million, post-dated for a decade later, visualizing himself achieving financial success. Remarkably, just before the check's date, he received a role that paid him exactly $10 million. Another inspiring example is Oprah Winfrey, who has often spoken about her use of visualization to overcome adversity and achieve her dreams. By vividly imagining her future success, she transformed her life from one of poverty and hardship to becoming one of the most influential women in the world. Conclusion. The powerful technique of visualization offers a compelling way to achieve anything you set your mind to. By harnessing the brain's ability to simulate real experiences, visualization prepares you for success, builds confidence, and enhances performance. While it is not a magic bullet and must be combined with consistent action, its impact is undeniable. As you embark on your journey towards your goals, remember that the power to achieve anything lies within your mind. Visualize your success, take action, and watch as your dreams become reality.